Hello, my friends. Greetings. This is Gregory Robinson from Eldaha Technologies. Um, I'm a website designer. I just clicked on it. I'm a website designer. Um, I don't currently take on clients anymore. I simply make websites for myself, and this is one of them. See, hand coding tools. Okay, so yeah, handcodingtools.com is my domain. Handcodingtools.com. Okay. Okay. So I offer tools for website designers and software programmers. Okay. Mostly web design, but a little bit of software too. Yeah. So we got the instructions, which is what you're watching right now. We've got list. I'm going to list all my tools for you. We got List Maker, which generates repetitive lists of code. So what would normally take 3 or 4 hours to do, you can do in 5 seconds. Okay, like literally. You paste, you pick the list, you hit generate, and there you go. Okay, next is color combos. My second innovative tool. Then I have flashcards for learning HTML, not HTML. Well, yeah, HTML and other things. Web design, I meant. We got my favorite Google fonts, code and text removal, pretty CSS text, pretty CSS links, HTML5 starting code, top of page links, and the URL extractor. Okay, so let's start by going to List Maker. Okay, so see, we got pre-made lists here, and we got paste list here. So you got two options. You pick a list from here, or you paste your own list into here. Okay, or you can even type it here if you wanted to. That would take a long time. Well, maybe not. Yeah, like you would type it like this. So there's my list. There's my list. Okay. Um, so instead of using a pre-made list here, I've entered my own list. Now here's the power of this tool too. List type. If I select list, if I select, this is what the example of what you're going to get. So you scroll down and hit generate code. See? So there is the list that I made up here, but it's down here with code. So opening select, opening option, closing option, opening option, closing select, etc. How about blank? How about select with values? Generate code. See, now we've got value equals hello. Wow. Yeah. We have pre-made list. Let's choose Canadian provinces. I'm a Canadian. Canadian provinces, okay? Here's the list of provinces. Let's make it an unordered list. And then hit generate code. See, now we got all the provinces in an unordered list. Okay, now here's the most powerful thing of all. Custom. Okay, so we got preceding text, which goes before every province. Following text goes after every province, okay? So let's say you want to go and, okay, we're going to put a bullet before each thing. I'm not going to put following text. Let's see what happens. Okay, see, no following text. But the and bool. See, I put a space. See, there's a space there? That's why there's a space between the semicolon and the A, right? Because I put a space over here. So this would be a bulleted list, right? Oh, but here's what you need to do for this to work. You have to put this behind it. BR. Okay, now generate. There we go. Now it'll work, okay? We got a bullet, Alberta, and a new line, a break, a line break, whatever you call it. Yeah. Um, yeah. Oh, and integers. This is cool. Click on that, and up here it says, please enter the start number. We're going to enter -10. Okay, now the end number, 55. So from -10 to 55. See, starts at -10, and it goes all the way to 55, like I said. Okay, let's go back home. Next is color combos. Okay, click on that. Now over here, we've got the sample, right, with a white background and a black text Okay, now you got three options for inputting a color. Either you enter the code here, like that there, and hit, right, and then hit background, let's say. So there you go. This code here is the background over here. Now, if we hit text, they'll both be the same color. See, they're both the same color now. So the background and the text are the same color. Now, you might ask me, why on earth would you make the text the same color as the background? The answer is darker, lighter. So if we scroll down, see we have text here. This is darker, lighter. Background, darker, lighter. So we're going to make the text lighter. So it'll be the same shade of blue, but a lighter one. Watch this. See it? You can read it now. Every time I click on it, it gets lighter. Like that. See, that's pretty, right? That's very beautiful. And how fast was that? It only took us like 2 minutes to do this. Okay. So yeah. So you can also pick a color. How about cadet blue? And then both. See, that's cadet blue. Now we go back down here, background I want darker. And text I want lighter. See? Last thing for picking a color, the color picker. Okay, let's go green, green, and both. The background we want darker. Yeah. Now random, this is cool. Watch this. Every time you click this, random color combinations are generated. I didn't make a list of all the random colors. My programming just generates a list randomly. That's why it's random. So that looks nice. Now we can make the background darker. Yeah, see? Isn't that beautiful? So let's click add to favorites because we like it. And you scroll down here, favorites here, there's the text, the background, and there's the sample of this color up here. View this and delete. Let's just go random again. Okay, we like this, so add to favorites. See, we've got two favorites now. What if we want to toggle between the two colors up here? Click on view this. Click on view this. See, when you click on view this, it scrolls up to the top, so you can see the sample code. Yes. Yeah. Okay, let's hit random again. Okay, add to favorites. Now let's say we don't like the middle one. We can delete it. See, it's no longer there. This is a cool feature. Invert the colors. See? It keeps inverting back and forth. Very beautiful, very beautiful. See, that's nice too. Yeah. Okay, my friends, back to home. I got lots of tools, but I don't want to bother going through. I can't go through all of them. There's too many tools. But yeah. So, my friends, I hope you like this. Okay, and have a good day.